Let's create a welcome series journey. This is designed to welcome subscribers with messages via email, SMS, or WhatsApp, nurture them, and turn them into buyers. We'll first navigate to Journeys. From here, you'll click on Create in the top right corner. We'll choose the Welcome Series journey focused on SMS. We can quickly preview the journey and check the list to make sure all the right connections and channels are installed. Let's use this journey template. We'll first review the trigger, contact added to the list. We need to ensure the right trigger event is added. We also need to select the relevant list we'll be targeting. Global Holdout is designed for testing and experimentation by holding out a control group. With entry and exit conditions, we can further refine who gets to enter the journey and at what points they no longer qualify for it. Let's save this trigger. Now let's edit the action. We'll choose SMS as the channel. Let's not forget that we're missing a message here. We'll select a message we previously created. This will be the first message in the sequence of messages. We'll then add a wait time of 2 days, so let's edit that. Now let's add a second SMS message that will further nurture our potential customers. Choose the correct channel and then select the second message that should follow in this journey sequence. Choose from previously created messages or create one from scratch. Following the second message, we will again set up a 2-day wait time to make conversations feel more natural. Finally, let's add the very final message in this journey. Select the SMS channel from the drop-down menu. Last but not least, select the very final SMS that we'll send to the customer as part of this sequence. Don't forget to end this entire journey with the end journey logic. Drag and drop end journey on the last part of the journey. Once you're happy with the journey, hit publish. Congratulations, your journey is now live.